In this session, we will be reviewing NetSuite solution for agencies using tools for resource management. We will be taking a look at some common challenges experienced in this industry and the NetSuite solution developed to assist organizations managing their resource pools. The NetSuite solution for agencies is a tried and tested fit for agencies of any size, with functionality dedicated to each role within a given organization. Today, we will be focusing on a project or resource manager. Across the board at agencies today, resource managers struggle with getting real-time visibility into the calendars of their resource pool in a unified solution. Determining availability and forecasting for new hires and freelancers is challenging, especially when the data on hand is not accurate and up to date. Without the proper solution, resources get overbooked and often can't keep track of their weekly assignments. Today, we will walk through some of the NetSuite leading practices for managing a resource pool, leveraging the NetSuite tools developed for agencies. As a resource manager, I have an entire home dashboard that provides me with metrics and query results shedding light on the status of my team's projects. I can see reminders, report links, and portlets dedicated to hourly burn reports and overdue task and milestone indicators. As a resource manager, I need to be kept up to date on the work being completed by the resource pool that I oversee. I can open any of my ongoing projects using my global search bar, which will bring me to my project record, showing a 360-degree view of my project status and any financial implications this project will take on my organization as well as my clients. All of the important information relating to this project is held within this record, with detailed views into my work breakdown structure where I can see which tasks remain to be completed, which resources are required to do so, how much time has already been booked on these tasks, as well as how much we expect to collect upon completion. I can also see which scheduling requirements that each resource staffed in this project will need to meet, as well as what my standard billing rate is for each of these resources. You'll notice that for each task that requires one of my team members, a generic resource title is acting as a placeholder until I can determine the best fit for this task. I can edit any task within my work breakdown structure and select which resource I want to put on each given assignment. I will choose one of my top project managers for this assignment, and when I do, I will have all the information assigned to this resource come through to the project, including service item, estimated work, and their default billing rates. Once I select this resource, it will replace every placeholder title in my work breakdown structure. In many cases, your resource pool is too large to efficiently track without utilizing a dedicated tool. Let's take a look at how organizations of any size can manage their entire team's calendar and forecast the calendar constraints that may be coming a few months down the road with NetSuite's resource allocation chart. This tool gives project and resource managers full visibility across the board for your team's resources availability and utilization. I can see what any of my employees' workloads look like in the current and upcoming weeks, forecast the need for 1099s, and even plan those freelancer schedules as well by filtering for the type of resources I'm interested in. Today, I know that I need to staff a graphic designer to my social media campaign. By filtering down to this resource type, I can see my resource pool limited only to graphic designers. Right now I can tell that Abby, one of my top designers, is overutilized as indicated by her red utilization bar. I have the ability in this tool to manage her project timelines and stagger her assignments to make sure that my resources are kept happy and I don't have to go out of pocket for a freelancer for any additional coverage. Once these schedule changes are finalized, Abby will automatically receive dashboard and email notifications that her calendar has been updated. To further help with my staffing needs, I can leverage the Resource Allocation Search tool. By entering the parameters of the task at hand, NetSuite will hand-deliver the best fit for my current job. I know my project, hours needed for my resource, date range that I need my resource to be available in, as well as which resource type I'm looking to staff. Once my parameters have been submitted, NetSuite will search all the relevant calendars and provide me with a list of the best fits for the task at hand with their availability and default labor cost. Since Abby is available, I will select her and watch as her calendar is automatically updated. Project and resource managers using NetSuite can leverage pre-built metrics, reports, and key performance indicators to help improve visibility and communication throughout their organizations. By utilizing a single platform solution, agencies will provide accuracy, forecasting capabilities, and optimize relationships within their resource pools. Thank you for watching this video on NetSuite ERP for agencies.